All right, here we are, claim number 3653V272D. It is 9/24/2023, 8:29 in the morning, 71 degrees. Here's the shingle with damage here. So what we're gonna have to do is unseal these, and unseal these to get the fasteners out of both here and the top of it. I would like to show there's no granules coming off of this, and we even have a control right over here. So we can show the same thing. There's no granules coming off. Let's go ahead and get started on this bad boy. Wrong shingle. There we go. Let's flip that over. All right. Need a shingle to put in there. Grab this. Slide the new shingle in. Okay. Check this out. You see the granules coming off of it. Severe granule loss now. Unlike the control right over here. Same thing. Nothing going on. So let's grab this. Take a look here. All right. So you can see the creasing right there. This one as well, where we had to lift it up and put the nail in. See the crease. This one's torn. This one here, creasing. These ones are probably a lot worse. That one's creasing there. Not much granules to them, but you can see where it's happening right here. It's just that crease. You can see it where I had to pick this up, where it bent, it creased. This one as well. This one we didn't have to do too much to. Now, other than that, you can look, feel along the bottoms here. If you look here, you can see that you have material transfer. Came from here, stuck to there. Now we're gonna go back. Feel along these. Right here. Kind of hard to get down in there, but you can see material transfer on that as well. So we have degranulation, material transfer, creasing, and tears. Due to these four things, when we fix this shingle, these two get damaged. It's going to go all the way up. This repair attempt is deemed a fail.